Hey crafters, it's me, Jen Evers with Quality Crafts. Welcome back to our 1 in 10 by Jen from Mailbox to Masterpiece series, where this is number 174. And this one comes to us from Diane Gaines. So let's get started and see what she has sent here and what kind of scrap she's got, and then we'll put together a card. Some really pretty, kind of shabby chic looking cards. Some background cardstock. That's really cool. That looks like bamboo. Bamboo actually grows down here. I was not aware. I moved from, in case you're wondering, I moved from Wisconsin to Tennessee, and they have bamboo here. It's kind of cool. Then we got a whole bag full of fun things. So cool. This trim is really pretty. Let's just see if we can get that on there. There's a little flower. Oh my gosh, look at that. Some little dogs. So cute. What else we got? What's this one say? Believe and dream. And then we have one that says congratulations. So we are just going to go ahead and begin. Oh, I have to set my clock. It's been forever since I've done one of these. Wow, I'm gonna have to turn off my sound as well. Here I thought I was all prepared, and then I completely forgot about this. That's okay though. We've got 10 minutes on the clock, so we're gonna go ahead. There we go, and start it. That should work. Alright, usually I have my my little pet friend holding that, but we'll go with it the way it is. This is really pretty as a background. I'm looking for colors that will allow me to throw in this really pretty blue. So I might not be able to use like everything, because then I won't be able to fit that in. Like these, they don't really go, so I might just hang on to those for a minute. This bamboo would look really cute in here. So would this. That would look pretty cool too. I think what I'm doing is cut this one down first. See how much I have to cut it by. You know what? I might run it this way. I need to cut down like maybe 1/4 of an inch. That works. And then a little bit more on the side. Okay. I like the look of this when I looked over, so let's go ahead and do this one. We could run this one up the side. That would look super cool. Are these gonna match? Well enough, well enough. Okay. And then maybe this for our greeting. Let's go ahead and put this on. I do still want to do the bamboo, so why don't we do just a thin piece. That could go there. And then we could add on, this one have the buttons coming out. Actually, they're going to have to come out this way, I think. Yeah, we'll put that on there with that. Okay. That'll look cool. Okay, let's go ahead and get those two put together. Oops. Want our bamboo to show. close. Got a little bit of white sticking out. I'm just going to chop that off. That's going to go on here. Love this trim. Maybe I'll have the trim going the opposite way as the buttons. I think that would make the most sense. And then I will try to just tack it on the back. Oh, you know what? Hold on, I know what I need. Tiny attacher. That's going to be so much easier. And you probably won't see very much of it because it's so little. And then maybe one in the middle to keep it to stay. That'll work. Then, oh, you know what? I don't have any. I might have a little. Let's see. Well, I needed some foam tape, but it looks like I don't have any, so we're just going to have to go with it the way it is. So let's go ahead and put this down. I was going to pop it up just so that it wouldn't be bumpy, but that's okay. Let's go ahead and put that down. Cute! This would be a super fun little sentiment page there because that brings out that other color. And do we want to do congratulations? That could work. That could work. Gosh, I really miss my foam tape. Swore I had some out here. Just a little bit, but it would have been enough. I have to put that on my list of things that I'm missing in here. Darn. Okay, well, I'm just going to have to go with it the way it is. Put that there. Then I'm going to leave the congratulations as it is because we have a white border, so we'll bring in a little bit more white here. And then I'm going to put it so that it goes under here, but that it stops on this part, and then just cut this part off. Yeah. That looks cool. Alright. Oh, there's no reason why we couldn't put a little flower there. Congratulations. And, oh, hallelujah, I have glue dots. Yay for glue dots. One of those there. I wonder if we can get one of those little flower gems to sit there. We'll see. You know what? I might just add an extra glue dot just to make sure it's going to stay. Oh yeah, so cute. You know what? This is really fun. Maybe we could put this one like on the inside for a little bit more like whatever you write on here, you got like a little space. I think that would be really cute. What do we have left here? No, I don't think I really want to add anything else. We could put dream here. Congratulations and dream. I don't know. I don't know if that really makes sense. What if we put... these just don't match that well. And I don't know that I want to put dogs on the inside, because that just seems odd. Unless it's congratulations because you got a new dog. That would be super cute. But I don't know. That might be a few and far between occasion. I think I'm just going to call it good. I've got like 2 minutes left, but you know what? I feel like I've really used these to the best of my ability. We've got this cute little thing. We've got several layers. The beads and the flower, and then a little touch on the inside. Not a whole lot because, you know, we're trying to keep it matching and all kind of cohesive. So thank you, Diane Gaines, for sending in yet another card, and you'll be getting this one back in the mail. So if you're the type of person that really enjoys this series, but you'd like to see your card being done, just grab some scraps from the last project that you made, toss them in an envelope and send them in. Join our Quality Crafts Facebook page, not page, group, to our community group to make sure that we can give you the correct information on how to get that to me since I've moved. And there's a lot of things going on in there as well as here on YouTube. So yeah, we invite you to all the things. It's super fun. Another place you can get your questions answered would be qualitycrafts.com. Our new store is going to be up and coming on there in the next few weeks. And I think that's about it. You guys have an awesome day, and I cannot wait to see you guys next video.